Hi guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin rin tayo ni bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel, you know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react na ako guys dito sa singing champions na si Zephanie Demaranan at Golden Cañedo. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood yung kanilang collaboration. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So here we go.
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and it never coming round.
Galing.
Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears. Every now and then I get
Oh my goodness, si Golden.
myself all the years have been by. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified and then I see the look in her eyes. Bright-eyed. Every now and then I fall apart and I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight.
Kinikilabutan ako guys, ang galing nila. Solid. Yung galing.
Nothing I can say, a total eclipse of the heart. I need you now tonight, and I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. And we'll only be making it right, 'cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can make it to the end of the line. Your love is like a shadow all of the time. I don't know what to do, I'm always in the dark. So living in a fantasy, thinking it all is fine. I really need you tonight.
Oh, galing.
Forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. Upon a time I was falling in love, and I'm only falling apart.
Grabe naman.
There's nothing I can say. Total eclipse of the heart.
Grabe. Ang sarap sa tenga.
Total eclipse of the heart. The total eclipse of the heart.
Grabe, ganda ng performance nila, no? Anyway, ang ganda ng voice tone ni Zep saka ni Golden Cañedo. Grabe, first time ko mapanood sila na magsama sa isang stage. Tapos, ganito ka-powerful yung boses nila. Grabe, sobrang solid nun, no? Grabe yung diction, sobrang clear, di ba? Tapos pag kumakanta sila, talagang binibigyan nila ito ng kwento, di ba? Ang galing, di ba? Sobrang linis kumanta, damang-dama ko yung pagkanta, grabe yung taas ng boses nila, talagang nai-hit nila yung ganda ng version, di ba? Talagang binigyan nila ng justice yung kanta. Sana magkaroon pa sila ng maraming collaboration na magkasama sila kasi pag pinagsama silang dalawa, ang ganda ng chemistry nila sa screen, di ba? Sobrang, ang tawag dito, napaka-telegenic nilang tignan and para silang magkapatid, no? Anyways, sana ay mabigyan pa sila ng maraming projects. And finally, eto na, bumalik na si Golden Caniedo sa TV at sana magtuloy-tuloy na to. Di ba kag-graduate lang niya di ba? BS Nursing siya And yeah, congratulations Golden at sana magkaroon pa kayo ng maraming project ni Zephanie Di Maranan. Alright? Kung gusto niyo to guys, bigyan ito malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kang mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po!